Potentiometer explanation with LED. We need a power supply, then we connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative of the breadboard like this. Now we'll need a 10K potentiometer. We place it on our breadboard and we will just place it like that. So we have 3 pins here. We connect the first pin to the positive, first leg as you can see to the positive, and the third leg, that is the yellow one, to the negative of the breadboard. You can see the positive and the negative line of the breadboard, and we connect the negative of the LED to the negative, and then we connect it to the middle pin of the potentiometer to the positive of the LED. Now we rotate the potentiometer anti-clockwise. As you can see, the current varies. The brightness of the LED decreases when rotated clockwise, and it will increase when rotated anti-clockwise. So this is the function of the potentiometer, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel.